Hartsholme could come from Middle English hert meaning stag, and home could come from Old Norse holma meaning simply home. Lincoln Waterworks Company was set up in 1846 and built the lake, as lakes and reservoirs in England were built mainly to provide water for nearby industry, although some were for recreational use. Hartsholme Hall, the gardens and park can all be dated to 1862. The land was purchased by Joseph Shuttleworth, an agricultural engineer, and the gardens and park were laid by Edward Milner, a landscape architect. After Joseph died in 1883, his son Alfred sold the property to Nathaniel Coburn. The hall then belonged to Colonel Thomas Harding, then Lord of Liverpool, and then Thomas Place. The estates were used as an officers' mess and for military training in the Second World War. After the Lincoln Corporation then bought the estates in 1951, the hall was demolished and the park was given to the public. In 1974, it was designated a country park, opened in 1978. In that year, the stables were also converted into a visitor centre, cafe and toilets.